Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resell on eBay. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for this video, we're just going to follow these articles here from these websites. And basically, this is just a guide on how you can resell on eBay. And simply, one of the few steps to do is firstly, of course, is to know the source of your product. So basically, by definition, reselling is just like flipping or just buying stuff from a source and then we just resell it somewhere else. And basically, in our case, we are going to resell stuff that you want to buy or that you were going to buy in eBay. So the first question is where you can find your products. So basically, there is some suggestions that are suggested here in this article, and basically you can try, for example, garage sales and flea markets, so you can get some products to resell. And from here, you would find like some cheap things or some good uh, products with a low price, and then you can resell them in uh, eBay. And there are also like thrift stores and retail arbitrage, and there are many stores where you can start reselling from. And now, after that you get your product, all you will be needing to do is just to list it into eBay. So basically here, after going to the ebay.com, you'd need just to start selling. And basically by creating an account, you will already be able to go to selling. So from here, you just click on selling. And better if you are going to become a seller, be on the seller hub. You can just search for it in the web browser and then it will take you here. Now you'd want to go to listings. So basically you would want to create a listing for your products that you have created, that you have bought, and basically you'd want just to upload its picture and just add as many picture as you'd like for your products. You just continue, and from here you upload the pictures, and then you review your photos, and basically you create your listing. And by that, you would need just to advertise it somewhere, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.